This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Glenda Massey. Your Florida lifestyle is calling. An entertainer's delight in a sought-after location with everyone's favorite floor plan, 3-bed/2-bath split plan plus separate den/office complete with French doors. Enjoy your screened pool with spillover, water feature and raised planters perfect for your tropical foliage while relaxing with a breeze from ceiling fans on your 34 by 10 tiled lanai complete with skylights. Amenities include a new roof in 2021, interior paint and designer neutral 2023, replaced privacy fence 2022 and kitchen appointed with stainless steel appliances, granite counters, breakfast bar and casual dining nook with pool views. The great room offers dramatic volume ceilings, focal point fireplace with architectural niches and sliders to pool. Owner's suite has sliders to lanai and pool and large ensuite featuring granite counter, double sinks, vanity space, garden tub, separate shower room and water closet. Features continue with separate dining room with volume ceiling, inside utility room with cabinetry storage, security system, rounded clerestory windows, storage cabinetry in garage, solar hot water heater, separate pool access door from secondary bedroom wing and over door transoms. Come home to this peaceful enclave of meticulously maintained residences which are ideally located just minutes to world-famous destination theme parks, a fabulous array of shopping options, fine and casual dining all centrally located for easy commute to Florida's fabulous beaches on both coasts. Seller offers a 1-year home warranty. For more information, review the details below.